Nigerian Genius.
And the design of, I can say like maybe 40% done currently. Good evening everyone, this is Team Echelon from Nnamdi Azikiwe University, and today is day 4 of the Nigerian Genius Competition. Today we started our day with working on our project, continuing work on our project. And after that, we went to continue our work in the workshop, working on making a metal stool with a wooden top. Then we did the welding of the metal frame of the stool, and then we also filed the wooden part and prepared it. And we also did drilling of the metal frame, the parts that's going to connect to the wooden top. Then after that, we had our project report presentation. In the project presentation, we talked about everything. We presented everything that we've done so far from when we came here to this present day. We presented those things to the judge, and we told them about our project, how we are going about our project, and what our plans are for the project, and also where we are currently to the project. So much time at all, so I can say like maybe 40% done currently. At the end of the project report presentation, we had the results from the online voting and also the results from the presentation. For the online voting, we got second position once again, and for the project report, we got third position, because I think that was because we were first. We did not really get much time to prepare, and it's also our first time doing this project report presentation, so we got third position. But hopefully, we hope we get a better position in the next project support presentation, which will happen tomorrow.
The third position got a score of 201, and that position went to Unizik. Unizik with a score of 1,419, which gave them the second position.
Okay, so for our project, we are currently designing the model on our systems. We've gotten a project idea, we've done our research, we've analyzed what system would be best, how best to do the design, how we are going to make the presentation on the submission day. So that is what we spent most of our time doing. But currently we are working on the 3D design on our system. After that, we are going to prepare our bill of engineering measurement and the costs, and we're going to submit that to the program manager so that he is going to help us to source the components that we might need externally. Then after the project report, we came back for mentoring session. In the mentoring session, we had mentors from the industry who came to hear about our projects individually and speak to us and help us, support us in making our projects better, addressing any questions or confusions we may have about our project. And then I must also say that today's mentoring session was the best. We were able to clarify major issues we were having, and we are very grateful for this mentoring session today.
Okay, to our fans out there, thank you for supporting us as usual. Thank you for your votes, for liking, commenting, and sharing. So we see what you're doing, because it's actually reflecting on what we do here every day. So we really appreciate, and we say that you should please continue. Do not stop, do not give up. Just keep on doing the good work you're doing out there. But we'll do our best from this end. Okay, to ACT and CIC, thank you for the good work you're doing. We appreciate you. We are grateful. Thank you for giving us the platform to come together, to share ideas, to bring about innovation that can even change Nigeria as a whole. May God strengthen you to continue doing the good work you are doing.
The Nigerian Genius.